Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming at you with another work from home job lead. This one was really interesting to me. It is a part-time remote work from home for my United States folks only. And within that part-time, they have hours between, this is daytime hours, no weekend required, between 8 a.m. and 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. And within that hour range, you can set your own schedule. So let's not waste any time. Let's just dive on in. The company ECMC Group, they're a nonprofit corporation that helps students with their potential in investing and creating education solutions. They are looking for a student loan counselor. Now, all training and computer equipment is provided for this position. They are looking for someone to make outbound phone calls to students and references and counsel them on the options they have to manage their student loans and keep or bring their student loans current status through payment, forbearance, or deferment. So you'll be reaching out to students that are behind and giving them options of bringing their accounts current, finding a solution that works for them. You'll communicate by telephone, also possibly in writing or through email, to borrowers to inform them of their responsibilities and the consequences of default. You'll have to maintain clear and concise and accurate documentation of their accounts and include any notes from the contacts you have made and received from them. You'll update their loan status on the loan tracker. You'll participate in work groups that help solve problems, and you'll analyze, identify, and solve problems using your own judgment. Now, helping people get back on track with their student loans, if that sounds like something for you, they are looking for someone who has a high school diploma or a GED, but no college degree is required. 1 year of office, business, clerical, or customer service experience. If you are familiar with Microsoft Office, including Outlook, that's the email program, the ability to type and talk at the same time, and you must have high-speed internet connection, and again, they're going to provide the computer equipment for you. Now, of course, unfortunately, pay is dependent on location and experience. They do not list pay in the job description. You would have to ask that at the time of the interview. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.